Sinabi ni Philippine National Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana, na ang American Lockheed Martin F-16 price tag ay masyadong mahal at maging ang Swedish SAAB Gripens per unit cost ay humigit kumulang $80 million, dahil sa kung saan ang Philippine Air Force ay tumitingin sa iba pang mga opsyon. Tinitignan ngayon ng DND ang Hindustan Aeronautics Limited ng India, dahil nag-alok ito ng Tejas Mk 1A, na malamang nasusundan ng isang detalyadong pagtatanghal at alok sa mga darating na linggo. Dahil kamakailan lang, ang Indian Ambassador to Philippines, ay nagsagawa ng courtesy call sa bagong Philippines President na si Ferdinand Marcos Jr., kung saan, ang pamahalaan ng India ay nangakong makikipagtulungan sa Pilipinas, sa pagpapalakas ng mga kakayahan ng sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas.
Well, I was very honored to pay my respects to President-elect His Excellency Ferdinand Marcos Jr. I conveyed a letter of congratulations from Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India on his resounding election victory, and we requested his continued support for further development of the excellent bilateral relations between India and the Philippines. We've been having excellent progress over the past few years, and we look forward to continuing the progress and the dynamism under the new administration. Well, our relationship is driven by two pillars. The developmental partnership, which spans a lot of areas, and today I was able to discuss areas like agriculture, health, financials, fintech, and digital governance. But we also have the national security pillar, which includes defense, maritime security, cyber security, and other areas of cooperation. And as you rightly mentioned, we have had a recent signing of a contract. India would like to work with the Philippines towards capacity building and capability development of the Philippines Armed Forces. And we do believe that under the modernization program of the AFP, there are potential areas where Indian companies can be competitive. And we would obviously work closely with the Philippines Armed Forces and the Department of National Defense to take forward this partnership in the new administration.
Ang Tejas Mark 1A, ay nagkakahalaga ng humigit kumulang $42 million lamang, na nangangahulugan na ang Pilipinas ay kaya nitong makabili ng 12 sasakyang panghimpapawid, kumpara sa presyo at halaga ng Lockheed Martin at SAAB na mas mahal sa inaalok ng India. Alam nyo ba mga kapatid, sa kasalukuyan, ang ginagamit na sasakyang panghimpapawid ng Philippine Air Force, ay ang Korean FA-50, at ang commonality ng General Electric F-404 engine, ay kapareho lamang ng Israeli radar sa pagitan ng FA-50 at Tejas Mark 1A, na ginagawa itong isang napakagandang deal para sa pagpapalakas ng hukbo ng Pilipinas at ang India. Kung nagustuhan mo ang mga ganitong video kapatid, ay hinihikayat kitang mag-subscribe dito sa aking channel para mas damihan ko pa mag-upload ng mga ganitong video. Ako ang inyong kapatid sa isip at sa salita, ako si Red Mata.